Okay, so today we're going to be going over negative numbers on a number line. And so basically you're just going to look at the increments that the numbers are going in. And for this one, it's showing us that it's going every 5. As you can see, it's 5 in this direction and 5 in the other direction. So if it's going by 5s and we're trying to get to the blue dot, we'll go -5, -10, -15. So the blue dot would be -15. So we'll put -15 in, and we'll look at the next one. Okay. And I want All right. So let's look at the next question. All right. It says move the dot to 12 on the number line. So as we're looking at this one, we can see that it's going by 3s because it's -3 in this, and every one of them has to be going the same amount. So if I'm trying to get to 12, I'm going to count by 3s to get to 12. So I'm going to go 3, 6, 9, and 12 goes right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my dot to where it ended up, which is right there, and then check it. And that is great. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move to the next question. All right. And we'll just do this last one. Where is the blue point on the number line? So if you look, you'll notice that it is going by 7s now. So we're going to count by 7s, and notice that after this 0 here, the numbers are negative going downward. So each one is going to be a negative. So this -7, -14, -21, -28, and -35. So our answer is -35. -35. All right. So that's how you do these problems. I hope you have a great day, and we will talk another time.